doing?
I don't know why you asking me? I'm your big brother.
KJ, come look at your brother.
Can't do me nothing. I'm my own man. I'm fishing for birds.
What is you doing?
And you don't tell me what
Why is you playing with the new fishing pole?
and you don't boss me around. Fishing for birds.
All right, then I'm gonna call mom.
Okay, who you call, man?
Cause you know she gonna whoop you from using her stuff.
Don't worry about catching no whooping.
Mom. Man, look at this man. Look what he doing. Then he playing with the new fishing pole and stuff.
I'm fishing, ma. All I'm doing is out here fishing.
I'm finna take it from you.
Don't take nothing from me. I'm trying to fish for this bird and I'm gonna get it. Been trying to get this bird a long time.
You want me to take it from you, mom?
Y'all running all the birds from around here. Before y'all came, we had a whole bunch of birds trying to get that piece of bread. Bro.
You can't do it. You can't fish over here.
Man, don't tell me what I can do, man. If I can't fish, I'm gonna go jump in the bayou. So let me fish, man. Before y'all came out here, all the birds, they had a little red bird, a blue bird, and 3 black birds.
Man, what you doing? Give me the fish pole.
Hey, bro, you better get back, boy. You don't scare me.
I'm your big bird.
I don't care if you don't scare me. Man, you better get back. I crack this pole. Nobody ain't gonna play with it. Nobody.
Mom, look at this man. He trying to break the fish pole.
She should have got my money. She should have gave me. She income tax. Talk about that.
She said she gonna whoop you when she get home.
What about nothing? I'm gonna be gone when she get home.
Oh, and tell her he using her bread.
Yo, and he using your new pack of bread.
I get food stamps. I get this mom. My mom get food stamps for me, so. There you go.
But leave these birds alone.
Get that bird. I'm tired of eating fish. What y'all think y'all ate last week?
You been taking from him, mom? Look, he wasting your
You
bread.
know what? I'm gonna just leave, bro, and come out your legs. Cause y'all, now the birds ain't coming back.
She said you want to get whooped when she get home. So be ready, little man.
I ain't gonna be here when you get home, man.